Okay, so welcome back to my channel, my little green bird says I'm Greenbird555. Now before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to push that subscribe button, and don't forget to also like, comment, and all the above. And if you are brand new to my channel, welcome, and thank you so much for checking this video out. I have never done a product review like this before. That is not skincare, that is not dealing with men's shaving products, professional skincare, all the above. So yeah, I have never owned a vacuum this expensive in my entire life. So yes, if you guys are totally interested in seeing what I have to reveal, then stay tuned. Yeah, so what I am going to be doing is I'm like kind of wondering, should I go over my very first Dyson? I'm not gonna really stay on that subject for very long and whatnot, but this is what my first Dyson looks like. This one is the Dyson V7 Motorhead. So this one is really awesome, and don't mind the nonsense that's inside of the container. So basically this is one of the older ones that they still make. This was my very first Dyson that I have ever gotten. This one is really awesome. I think I got it for like a Black Friday type of deal like a few years ago. So yeah, this Dyson really served its purpose. I absolutely love it, but it's not up to par with what I want in a vacuum right now, especially with what's going on outside of our little world, you know, the C word that I'm not going to say on my channel. So yes, I just feel like that the air should be a lot cleaner, and the V7 is good for an introduction to a Dyson product. So I am a huge fan of Dyson. This is my very first Dyson product anything, and I just really love it. But one of the things that I do not like was the filter on it is totally like reusable and everything, which is awesome. So here's like the filter, okay, that goes on the top, which is awesome. But the actual regular filter, the HEPA filter inside here, is not really a traditional HEPA filter. It is stainless steel HEPA filter, so it's only metal filtering all of the air and dirt and particles. So that is not something that I really want to have right now, because I just feel like I said, the air should be a lot cleaner. And if I'm doing more of a deep clean, I need my vacuum to last longer than 30 minutes to a full charge. So yes, with that being said, let's get that box, okay? Because I just got it today. Let me see what the calendar says. I think it's like the 29th or something like that, or whatever. Yeah, it's the 29th. So let's move this thing out of the way. Oh god. Okay, so this thing is absolutely huge and whatever. Got this in the mail and all, and I'm really happy about that. So see, it says like fire hazard right there and whatever. You can tell that it's completely sealed. Is there any? Yeah. So I'm covering it and whatnot. So see, it's all sealed, all the above. And you guys are going to be watching me open this on camera. Jesus. Okay. So, got that out of the way. Got my scissors. Ooh, oh my god. This is like total porn. The Dyson Dyson V11 torque drive. This thing is absolutely awesome. I am just so stoked to really just go through everything about this product. So initially, One of the huge upgrades that I noticed that the newest Dyson had was it has a touch screen, I guess, or an LCD screen. I didn't even know that. If the one, I think the one that I got does not have like a touch screen or something like that, but I don't think that's really important to have that. But it does. I think it's like just a regular LCD screen. I think like if I was to spend another $200 or whatever, I could have like the quote unquote touch screen or something like that. But I don't remember. But this thing is supposed to last up to 60 minutes in full use. And it just tells you how much longer, how much life is left on it. So that's even better. And plus it also has like a bunch of accessories that I was not willing to buy individually too. I was thinking about keeping the Dyson that I have, but I really don't want to buy the extra accessories because it would just end up being a little costly. Okay. If you guys are wondering, I bought this off of the Home Shopping Network. That's why I said on my Instagram, if you guys are following me on Instagram, like you know you're old if you actually bought or stare at the website such as QVC and Home Shopping Network. I think I relate more to Home Shopping Network over QVC. QVC is like too much going on. Okay, this thing is like really huge. I'm just gonna like put this right here. So I'm using my phone right now because this thing is absolutely massive. So this is what the packaging looks like on the inside and everything. Don't mind all of that. So I am just so happy with this purchase right now. So one of the tools that I really wanted to have is this really hard bristle brush. This one can be used on your computer. Like I said, this one can be used on your computer and everything. And I really loved the example that I was watching on the Home Shopping Network. So, um, so yeah, these are like the basic tools that all Dysons come with. They always come with this regular bristle brush and all that other stuff, and then the attachment for crevices and all of that. So yeah, I will put this all together or take this all out, and then you guys will see what this all looks like. Now that you guys saw the unboxing portion, what I'm going to show you guys now is now that I'm like literally looking at everything, everything is like literally 2 times, almost 2.5 times bigger than the V7. So one of the major huge differences with the Motorhead, so this is the V7 Motorhead, okay, in my left hand, and this is the V11 Motorhead right here. There is like such a huge significant difference with the size of the could you tell I was posing for the thing? There is like such a huge difference with the Motorhead, okay? So this one, like I said, is like literally 2 times the size. Everything is so much bigger with the V11. Now, one of the things that I felt like was very important to me about getting a newer Dyson vacuum is that it has a HEPA filter. So the HEPA filter is right here. So if I just pull that apart, okay, so the HEPA filter, just like all other Dysons, this is washable, just this portion. Now, if I remove the other filter that's inside of here, I'm not going to fuss with it right now because I want to read the instructions and the manual and everything. But this one is you're able to buy a brand new one. So that's something that the older model did not have. It was not capable of having brand new filters like that. And I do enjoy the fact that Dyson is all about being eco-friendly and also very conscious about the environment. So that's why I also love the fact that it's bagless. Bagless, bagless, bagless. If you notice that the canister is 2 times the size, okay? And versus the one of the older ones, okay? So this is the V7 right here. And if you notice that you can only fill up to right here, I believe, with the V7 Motorhead. And you can also notice that it does have the metal filter inside. This is a fully functional vacuum still, but like I said, I am all about just upgrading everything about this. Now, one of the other things that you'll notice. Okay, I was not intending to do that, but there's the LCD screen on the back. Oh my god, that was like hella random. Oh my god, it sounds like a freaking gun. Like, look at this. This was like a futuristic gun. Like, honestly, like... I was like hella funny and everything. Like, honestly, like these literally look like guns right now. Like space guns. So, with that being said, let me move my hand away from the trigger because I accidentally pulled on the trigger. So, the way how this works in terms of letting out all the garbage is that you pull the lever right here, and then it just opens up just like that. And then you just push it back up, and then there you go. With the other one, I'm not going to do that with the other one because it already has a garbage in it and everything like that. So you have to pull this up, and then you have to push the filter back in and everything. And that's another thing I did not like about this one over time, is that there would just be so much dust in it still. Like, yeah, that's not about it. We all know that the reason why the design for Dysons, okay, see these crevices and everything, these cylindrical looking parts all over the vacuum. They have this on all of their vacuums. It is definitely a signature, and I actually do think that it's a trademark too, that is patented. So with the Dyson V7, they only have 15 small cylindrical components with their design, and they're called centrifugal forces. Yeah, it has something to do with like the type of suction that it has, and that it's able to pick up even the most utmost microscopic of anything. But yeah, I just wanted to show you everything about this vacuum. Oh, you know what? Like, you can just do that. Look, it instantly just turns into, you know what? Like, let's see what this will sound like. Oh my god, you guys gotta hear that. Listen to that. Oh my god, that sound is literally amazing. But yes, it has everything that I need, that I want. Even the docking system is very different from the original one that I'm replacing. And it just has all the tools that I need just to make life easier and better. Also, this one is going to really help with scraping up the dirt in tough spots. And then the one part that I am really jazzed about the most is this guy. So this guy is the mini motorized tool, and this is really going to be amazing for furniture and upholstery. So we live in an apartment and everything, and we don't have stairs. We don't like live in a townhouse or anything like that. But this thing is really going to help greatly, I feel, to like really pick up all of the excess kitty fur that my cat leaves all over the place. Because this has more torque, more suction than the other one. I feel this vacuum is going to be able to do that. So, I just wanted to show you guys some examples and everything. So yeah. Okay, so this is what the Dyson's LCD screen looks like. So boost is their maximum suction, and then medium is like an in-between of the eco mode and maximum section, and then eco mode is just more energy efficient. So when I was like reading about the eco mode, when I turned the vacuum on, it said that it had 30 minutes of life. When I had it on medium in between, it said that it had 18 minutes. And then for the maximum boost, okay, it said it only had 6 minutes left. So I'm going to show you guys this. So look at all of this lovely dust and debris that I just like swept up. This is all like unattractive. This is from the cat's brush and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys this vacuum in action. We're gonna do the middle. That was pretty efficient from where I was. Let's get more of this nonsense. Okay, so I just attached the upholstery attachment to this, and there's like a lot of fur. I always want to see if this vacuum can pick it up because the Dyson V7 could not do that properly because it didn't have enough suction and it didn't come with the right efficient tools. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's start off right here. Yes, that literally just picked up all of that little fur, those little hair fibers. Let's see. So this is what the Motorhead looks like underneath and everything. So I don't think it's going to be able to get into these, this quilted looking part because it has like a dip. I would have to use like something like the crevice attachment, but let's see what happens. I think it actually sucked up on most of it that was in there. Like there's like a little left and everything, but yeah, that was pretty freaking efficient. So that concludes this video, this unboxing of Dyson products. Well, product. Okay, so this really concludes everything. I just wanted to share my thoughts and my excitement for this vacuum. I mean, like, come on. I mean, like, who knew that being cleaned would be so fun? So yes, with that being said, everyone, thank you so much. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And like I said before, I know there's a lot going on in the world and everything outside of our world with the C word going on. Definitely just keep your social distancing up. Don't forget to wash your hands, cover your mouth, wear a face mask, because in California it is required that we all wear a face mask of some sort. So yeah, and yeah, I hope this convinces you guys to go for a Dyson product because I absolutely love Dyson. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one, and it will be all about skincare. Bye.